screw it. I'm gonna just give a quick rundown as to what I want to see, what the market's giving me right now, and yeah, what I think could potentially happen. Right now we're in a weird zone where we could really realistically see anything happen. If we look at the daily, we are in a pullback kind of zone right now. We respected this entire daily leg up at the 0.75 level. Right now we are this 4-hour entire leg up right now. I want to see us retract. Thing is, we didn't break or change structure here, so I do want to see us kind of come down and close below strong, but that didn't happen, so who knows what's gonna happen now. This previous week low there. Realistically speaking, we're still delivering from this weekly gap. 4-hour is giving me bear signs still. We're rejecting this 4-hour gap up here. So hopefully we reject this gap, continue lower. We have this midnight level here, midnight level open. I want to see us continue rip through it, come down, tap, fill the entire new week opening gap, the entire thing. Maybe come down, tap equilibrium, and tap this 4-hour BPR. If we're able to tap this 4-hour BPR and bounce from here, then we are going to be in this chop consolidation zone within this one, within this daily, FEG and this 4-hour BPR. So we gotta wait and see. We'll see what happens. Do want to see us continue higher though, so. But I know we're not. Q4 is gonna be crazy, so who knows? Maybe we are. No pullback. Kind of want to see us pull back into this OB right here as well. Anywhere within the new week opening gap is a really nice pullback. Now I want to start playing the back model to the downside, honestly. So I want to see if we have any hourly gaps that haven't been unfilled. So we have this gap that is honestly an SMT. Yeah, we have an SMT gap here. That could honestly continue and push us forward. If I see like another 5-minute or like 5-minute SMT will probably flip my bias to the upside. I mean, we're also above the midnight level. So I potentially do see us just okay, so we may have SMT here. We have a 15-minute SMT, hourly SMT within a gap. This could potentially bring us higher. I would like to see a manipulation like first of these sweep. We could get these sweep, hold this 15-minute gap, and continue higher into the 1-hour CE or into AM high. Yeah, my bias flipped. We are bullish, and we're just gonna continue now. I want to see us take out this LR though. This LR is a bit weak. This is weak LR right now. I kind of want to see this just go. This entire thing just go. Right now with the manipulation leg, in what, 5 minutes? Yeah, 5 minutes manipulation leg to the downside. Yeah. Hopefully we do respect this midnight level. If we respect this midnight level, we're gonna continue higher. Super trend 5 minutes giving me bullish signs in the algo. 15 minute, we're still in a bullish trend. We'll see what we do, because right here we are accumulating. If we can manipulate and distribute higher, that'll be perfect. So wait and see. We will wait and see. I'm charting right now. My top step, we got a 15 minute with the 15 minute low down there. Which is this? Hopefully that gets sweeped. Hopefully we come down, tap this area here, anywhere within this area here. Maybe even sweep London low and then reverse from there. But I don't want to see a sweep London low and continue lower. Even though if we do, we still have a lot of gaps to the downside and Asia low. Oh, we will see. ES has like more, but yeah, we're gonna create SMT with London low. Most likely, or 15-minute SMT for continuation. That's what I see as doing, and then we'll take out London high. Because I do think if we're really bullish, then we will just, alright, let me listen up to Gains. Oh, he's in. I want to hear some levels. Yeah, this trend is insane right now. Nice hourly here that's untapped with relative equal lows. We also have this nice hourly down here as well. Yep, let's go sweep that. Okay. Again, I want to see us tap into this first presented 15. Again, even though we may not, and just continue. Yeah, we might just continue. London high got grabbed. Cool. I'm seeing us tap into the 1 hour CE. or we just reverse from here. I can see us potentially just reverse from here. Let's look at the 5 minute. LR isn't gonna get taken out. Don't understand why it's not. It's a nice 1 minute gap that we just formed after sweeping London high. Can we see an inversion here? I see us taking out all of this LR. Okay, so we continue higher. Why? Let's touch the CE of the 4 hours. 4 hour CE just got tapped. Maybe we get a rejection. Gotta remember, at the end of the day, we accumulated all of this. Manipulator plus London high. Again, I see a nice inversion. I'm taking this to the downside. There's a nice 2 minute gap being formed. 3 minute gap being formed. 5 minutes still holding. Two-minute gap better be tapped into. No way this is a pullback. There's gonna be a 5 minute gap that's formed after this. That could potentially get us higher. I don't see us going higher, but then again, we have all of this, bro. I don't think we touched that new big opening gap. Nothing to the downside. 580. No continuations again. This could really be a nice breaker if it delivers us. 5-minute gap down below though, forming within 2 to 3 minutes. Haven't taken anything. Hourly gap on ES is about to be completely filled. It's an hourly high. Looking at a 15-minute. We're gonna touch the hourly 200 MA. See if we reject from there. Hopefully we reject, tap into like a 1 or 2 minute gap for continuation to the CE, or even the fill of this entire 1 hour gap. What is that? 640-ish, looking heavy. Again, I kind of just want to see a nice pullback. All we have is our stacked up. I don't like this. So there's like a 5-minute gap. Should be a 5-minute gap first presented. 5-minute first presented down at London High. So somewhere down here. I want to see us tap into this 30-second or 1 minute gap. I'd like to see us tap into one of those and then go higher. Yes, is going to take out an hourly high. And we're going to have SMT at the high and SMT at the low. Yeah, ES is about to take out an hourly high. So I'm gonna wait until this high gets taken. See how close we got to the CE and AM high. much filled in the entire 4 hour. Yeah, this is looking like we're gonna hit the CE and call it a day. Yeah, I'm buying no sell pressure yet. 3 minutes until this 15-minute closes. We're gonna have 2 5-minute gaps. On my crew neck now. Now it's go time. It's go time. I don't see anything clear. There we go. Wow, buyers bought that bitch up real quick. Let's see, either like a 5-minute continuation or like even a 1 or 2 minute gap continuation with 30-second inverse. There's nothing on 30-second. 2 minutes. There's a 2-minute gap down there that we could probably. Fed rate cuts. Yeah, I want to see us come back down to 570. This 640 level is so strong, bro. It really attracted everybody. What does 654? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yup, 640 level is super strong. Plus we struck the high on ES. Okay, so maybe we could get like a nice little mech model onto a 5-minute. Minute candle open again. One-minute inverse. I want to short this down to the 5, but if anything, I'll wait for the 5 to get tapped and we continue higher. But the thing is that this whole leg up, this 15-minute, just looks so manipulated. So many wicks, no gaps, nothing. Just gave me a weird vibe. Honestly speaking, I might just trade evals today. Just evals today, cause this is looking disgusting. I'm going short into this 5-minute gap. Short into the 5-minute gap because this whole move was just so bad. So I think we're gonna come down to the 5-minute gap, go higher into the CE, or maybe just hit the CE and then just continue. We tapped into 1 minute and bounced. Perfect. We in versus 1 minute. We will probably go lower. Break even on this trade already. Didn't like that pullback. That was a weird snap. Could be a breaker setup. From this 1 hour, we tap the CE and then we go lower. Could see that happening. Could see this, honestly. Maybe we get a nice sweep. Or not. Maybe we just go lower. You see strong displacement, stronger displacement. Perfect. I'm in on an eval. Yep, perfect. 2 evals. Wonderful. Locking these evals. Yeah, this is kind of easy. Because if we inverse this 5 minute, or if we respect this 5 minute and bounce up to AM high, it would be clean. But I feel like we are gonna sweep. Again, let's look at the 5 minute. There's no gap here. Let's see it go higher. So right now this looks really nice for us to continue higher. feel like this was the pullback, and we're just gonna continue higher to the CE at 655. Now, can we continue higher from here? No. Let's go down into the 1 minute again. We hold this. Boom. Out of that. Sheesh. Minute might go inverse. There's a 2 minute gap up here before we shredded. I think we tapped the 2 minute gap up here. $619-ish. Let's go on the 32nd at the 619-ish level. Okay, we tapped at the 2 minute gap. Just started a new 5 minute. Here's the thing, we inverse this 2 minutes to the upside, we're gonna continue higher unless this is like a 2 minute breaker. But I'm going short. I'm going short. Going short here till the 5 minute low. There is like a 1 minute gap there though. But this fucking, oh my god, bro, this shit is so ass. Top Step is so ass. Like, it's fucking me over right now. It's not showing me data. that. Didn't deliver with speed as I thought it would. Don't tell me now it's gonna deliver with speed. Yeah, maybe on the CE-ish. Stake there at the 654. Maybe we get a nice rejection. I'm gonna go sell limit 2 from here. Limit sell 2. Perfect. Continue down. Wonderful. That was a great reaction. Tap the CE. I had a target at a 1 minute gap. So from the CE to the 1 minute gap, boom, TP hit. If we have this inversion here, now we might just continue with the 10. We inverse this, we're going lower. And I'm taking it on this. This could be a really nice breaker. Incoming. How does 5 minute look? It's a 5 minute breaker that could appear. Not waiting for confirmation. Taking this shit down to these relative equal lows. Wonderful. I need more speed to the downside on the 1 minute. It's 5 minute looks nice, bro. 5 minute breaker looks nice. Honestly, and again, 3. I'm anticipating this 1 minute. There's a 1 minute inversion that's gonna be really key with my decision right now. I need more speed to the downside. Wonderful. This 15-minute gap right at 589. Right here, there's a gap, 15-minute gap down here. What the fuck is going on, bro? Time step is so shit. We got a nice inversion. Now continue to deliver us. Oh, it didn't inverse actually. It didn't inverse, but let's see if this goes down with speed. Okay, I want to see us go lower. We haven't inversed this 1 minute, which is fucking us right now. Because I really do just want to see this. Alright, whatever. I'll just let this ride. I want to see this ride lower. Boom, stopped out, done. Done on that account. This is weird. There's a nice 15-minute gap down there. Here's the thing. There's a nice 5-minute breaker. It's like a really nice 5-minute breaker. We get this 5-minute inverse. SMT at the high. I really just want to short this, but let's look at the 4 hour. A 4 hour got inverse. There's no speed, nothing right now. Closing top step. Bring my trader bait back up here. In with 3. I'm just in with 3. This might be the 3 drive pattern to bring us higher. I see it to bring us lower. And I want to TP here by 1, 2, 3. Let's just drive lower. Failed to break that high, drive lower into this. I would love to see the LR get tapped. Or even this get tapped. Would honestly love to see this get tapped. Triple relative lows right here. Alright, I'm in on a short. Have an SMT 5-minute breaker. If we could get this 5-minute inversion right here. Tiny 5-minute inversion. $607 is TP1. This low. Yeah, this is a bit choppy. Sweep, another sweep. SMT. Tap the CE again. Do we reject? Oh, I want to full port this so bad. Wonderful lower. I need more, I need more. Yeah, bro, I see a 5-minute breaker delivering from here. I want to see a small inversion, bro. stopped out. Done with this account. Alright, screw it. I got 1, 2, 3 plus another 2, 5. I want to pass another 50k accounts. Yeah, calling it done for the day. Oh, it was a trade I took. Boom. Filled there into this 1 minute gap. $17 to $17. Honestly, I had like a 10-point stop. Wasn't anything crazy. Again, bro. Again. This is just so clean and textbook. Closing that shit though. And we're just chopping now. Now it's just gonna be chop central for the rest of the such low key. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day there. Low key wanna pass 3 alpha accounts. Can honestly request payouts, but I don't want to just because it's not worth it right now. Let me look at my top step accounts really quick. Oh wow. No, it's not worth it. Not worth getting a payout right now. I really don't want to do that. Cause I only have like what, $1,000 wiggle room, depending how much I get my payout for. No, it's not worth it. End of the week, I'll probably get a payout. But for this week, it is definitely not worth it. SMT's at the highest change structure. Ooh, this looks textbook. These accounts are locked out though. I need another 150k go. Tap the 5 minute and continues. No way. Wow, tap the CEO left, small 5 minute and continued higher. Wow. That was just really strong bounce. Yeah, now we're chopping. Okay. Don't like this. I'm done though. Like, dropping around the 1 hour CE. Yes, we're up to 1 hour high. We have a higher time frame SMT, low time frame SMT aligning. Change state of delivery over here and over here. And versus huge 1 minute gap again, but we bounced off of this tiny 5 minute. So it's just like, I don't know what's going on. This might just be 3 drive pattern. We have relatively good lows now. Could be 1, 2, 3. Nah. See, it's going lower now. We're failing low key a lot. trade that. This looks like a really good opportunity for a mech model to the downside. But we're just, I don't know why, we're just ripping this shit higher. Oh, drugs and my buddy. Oh yeah, let's go. Not worth again. Not worth. Going to contain. Oh no! Right here is. 590. I need to see that 5-minute inversion though. Need to see that 5-minute inversion. Five-minute can't go inverse, bro. Five-minute can't go inverse there. Can't take this trade. 5-minute needs to go inverse. Is this a 1 minute that's going inverse to the upside now? Oh no. Yo, added this. Closing everything out. Done for the day.